How to find trending templates on CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To find trending templates on CapCut, open CapCut. Now on bottom of your screen you can see different navigation buttons. So click on this templates icon. Now you will be directed to all of the CapCut templates. Now to find trending templates, click on the search box icon located on top of your screen and then search for trending templates. Here you can find all of the trending templates on CapCut. So scroll down to find more. You can also filter the templates or sort according to your need. To do this, scroll all the way to top. Now, so you can filter aspect ratio, duration of the video, clip, type and many other things. So select any that you want to sort out. Here I'll click aspect ratio. Now select whatever option that fits you and then click on apply. So this is how you find trending templates on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.